Want to permanently delete your Claude AI account? Whether you're switching to another AI assistant or simply no longer need your account, Claude allows you to delete it through your account settings. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Claude AI account in 2026. So let's get started. First, export or save any important conversations you'd like to keep. Once your account is deleted, you'll permanently lose access to your chats and stored data. Taking a backup now can save you from losing valuable information later. If you're subscribed to Claude Pro or another paid plan, cancel your subscription first. You'll need to wait until the current billing period ends before you can permanently delete your account. This step only applies if you have an active paid subscription. After your subscription has ended, click your profile icon in the lower left corner, select Settings, then open the Account section. This is where you'll find the account management options. Click Delete Account, read the warning carefully, then follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion. Take a moment to review everything before confirming, because this action cannot be undone. If you don't see the Delete Account option, or Claude asks you to contact support, follow the instructions provided to request account deletion. Some account situations require assistance from Claude support. After the deletion process is complete, your Claude account and saved conversations will no longer be accessible. If you try signing in again, you'll be asked to create a new account. So you've successfully learned how to delete your Claude AI account, and that's how to delete your Claude AI account. Just remember to export any important conversations, cancel your subscription if you're on a paid plan, and review the confirmation carefully before deleting your account. Once the deletion is complete, it can't be reversed, so make sure you're ready before proceeding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.